Hello guys, welcome to the channel VPro. Today I am going to show a new video on an untold bike in India which had played its role in abroad countries for few years, which is known as Suzuki Inazuma 250. So let's get some information in my video. The Suzuki GW250 is an entry-level standard motorcycle sold in multiple markets including Australia, Asia and Europe. It is called as Inazuma 250 in the Europe and the GSR 250 in Japan. There are also versions called as 250F and 250S versions, in which 250F is the fared version of the bike for some market outside the Europe. It is used by various police services including China, Japan and USA. Due to the Euro safety regulations, Inazuma was discontinued in Europe as ABS is mandatory from 2017 for all motor vehicles with more than 125cc, and there are no plans for ABS equipped in Inazuma. While it was praised in the media for having a high build quality and being easy to ride, it was criticized for having overall sober styling. This bike comes with a 248cc 4-stroke 2-cylinder liquid-cooled SOHC engine with a bore of 53.5 mm and a stroke of 55.2 mm, results in a 248cc engine. The compression ratio is of 11.5:1 ratio. The engine is equipped with a 6-speed constant mesh gearbox, and the engine is with the oil capacity of 2.1 liters. The fuel system is electronic fuel injection, and the ignition system in the bikes come with transistorized electronic ignition, which produces 24 bhp at 8500 rpm. Peak torque is 22 Newton meters at 6500 rpm. A coupling type balancer shaft fitted to the engine's crankshaft reduces the vibration and enhances the rider comfort. The Inazuma offers user-friendly power delivery, good for crowded urban conditions. Dual-headed pipes effectively route the exhaust through a pair of long and low-chrome mufflers that are balanced to the side of the rear wheel. The frame construction was based on tubular-type standard frame. The front suspension comes with telescopic coil spring oil damped, and the rear suspension comes with swing arm coil spring oil damped. The brakes were disc brakes both at the front and the rear. Tires both at the front and the rear were of 17-inch. On the instrumental panel, there is an analog RPM meter in the center which contains a digital gear selector. It also has a shift light tree programmed to the light in the 3 RPM ranges. The speedometer is digital and there are 2 trip meters. In 2014, the entry-level motorcycles were selling like hotcakes. For you to know that Salman Khan, he is the brand ambassador of Suzuki motorcycles in India. So this bike was first shown in Salman Khan's movie Jai Ho. Suzuki Inazuma with a parallel twin engine with liquid cooling and 250cc displacement sat at the right spot. This 250cc bike took design cues from its bigger brother Hayabusa Beacon. For you to know, this naked motorcycle came out on Indian shows right from Japan as a CKD model, making it one of the well-built motorcycle. Now the question comes, was Inazuma the right motorcycle for the Indian market? Why did it die? Let's have a look. Not sure here in India, a 250cc motorcycle with single cylinder motor will sit a notch below a 250cc bike with 2 cylinders. This was the very case with Suzuki Inazuma, as it was more lighter expensive than Honda CBR 250R. But the catch is, Honda was more powerful and lighter than the Inazuma. Sure, Suzuki came with a parallel twin engine, but it lacked power and torque because of its undersquare engine. At last, due to this reason, Suzuki Inazuma has to discontinue in Indian market, but the owners in India are cruising their bikes till now as in the feel of riding a superbike.